Year 2024, month of August. In today's video blog, I would like to discuss programming project architecture and clean code. In a new video series, beginning now, I will be synthesizing the works of Robert C. Martin, Uncle Bob, from his books Clean Code and Clean Architecture, and also Code Complete by Steve McConnell, about how to organize and build very large systems that many programmers will see, many of them not from the beginning, many who will just be maintaining and then leaving, and how to make these projects grow or shrink as needed by programmers who have not been there the whole time. Those kinds of projects where workers come and go, they follow the same plan, and they understand exactly what previous workers have done, has been solved in the construction industry. Software often struggles with metaphors. I actually, as you know, hate the term software engineering. I am not making a car engine. What we make is more comparable to buildings. Buildings have blueprints, or what used to be called blueprints. Now they're just called drawings because they're just printed on white paper instead of those blue pieces of paper. You had to have a special machine back in the day for that, but they're not called blueprints now, they're just drawings. And I think software, since we have UML, we've had it for decades, we should be writing to architectural plans that are written in drawings. Every building is like this. It has digital forms of it. Sure, those are nice. You have 3D models of it now. But they also come with a booklet that zooms in and zooms out on various parts. Many copies can be made. They can be handed off easily. And the workers can all look at them. And they will build the same thing because they see the same plan. It doesn't require a magical developer who's been there since the green field to do those things. That's the way it should be in software, at least. So I have this suggestion to make to begin with. I think that software developers should not be calling themselves engineers. I've said that before. But I'm okay with the term architect. And like an architect, you don't necessarily have to be at the computer. You can follow the principles of clean code and clean architecture and combine that with a little bit of UML, just the right amount, to make drawings that can be printed out and put into a booklet to explain the core of a software project. This is especially useful in business information systems, which is mostly what we're about on this channel. When you print out those booklets, they go in a case that looks like this. This is called a large plastic project case. You put the booklet in it. It has physical clasps. There's a handle. You can carry it around. You should not be carrying around a laptop. A good software company is not BYOC. Because after all, many workers are going to come and go. But you can hand them a little plastic case with the plan. They write it in the conventions of whatever language stack you're using, and the system works. Whenever you see that term creative, in a resume, it's really just a meaningless buzzword. Often, the best designs are not creative. Often, they're a clone of what has worked before. Creativity isn't always that necessary. And artificial intelligence is showing us that not everything humans do is creative, and that's fine. It's okay for things to be evolution instead of revolution. So, the first lesson of clean architecture and clean code is use the UML drawings, have them be printable in these and carryable in these large plastic project cases. Please like and subscribe. Be notified for every upload. And visit the links in the description. Thank you for listening and watching. See you later. Bye.